Welcome back. In this video, we'll create a new project, add the dependencies, and link Firebase to this project. Open Android Studio, select New Project, empty views activity, and I name it as Journal App. Click Finish. Then log in to the Firebase console, console.firebase.google.com, and click Add Project. Then enter your project name, Journal App. Next, continue, select an account. And your project is ready. Click continue and you will be directed to this starting page. Then we need to add Firebase to our application. Select Android. Here I need to paste the package and you can get it from here. And we need to add the app nickname, the Journal App. Then we need to add the debug signing certificate, SHA1. Secure Hash Algorithm 1 is a cryptographic hash function. In the context of Android app signing, it's used to create a unique fingerprint of your app signing key. When you are developing an Android app, you sign it with a certificate for debugging purposes. This certificate is automatically generated by the Android build system when you create a new Android project. It's different from the release signing certificate used for publishing your app to the Google Play Store. In Firebase, you often need to register your app's SHA1 fingerprint for various services to work correctly and properly. For example, Firebase authentication uses SHA1 fingerprint to identify your app when users sign in with Firebase authentication. Providers like Google sign in. Similarly, Google Firebase Cloud Messaging uses it to send push notifications to your app. In order to get it, we go to Android Studio, click on Gradle, Tasks, Android, and we click on Signing Report. Double click on it and you will get the SHA1 certificate. Copy, paste it here, register app, and we're ready to download the google-services.json file. Click on it, then I'll cut it. Select project, then app folder, and paste it here. We did it many times in the previous videos. Make sure that your file is named as google-services.json without any letter or number. Then click next, add the dependency at the level of the project, Gradle projects, select Android, project, and here I need to add the plugin for Google Services. Then I'll select Java, copy this Google Service plugin, open build.gradle.kts at the level of project, and we need to go up and add the ID here. Then I need to add the dependency for Firebase BOM and the Firebase Analytics dependency. Click Sync Now, and now we're ready to add other Firebase services. Then we go back to our console and I need to go see all build features and I need to add Cloud Firestore. I need to use authentication and I need to use the storage. I'll start with Cloud Firestore, open it. Then click on Create Database and start in test mode. Next, enable, and this is our Cloud Firestore database hierarchy. We need to add the dependency. So for that, I'll go to Documents and here I select Build, Firestore, and I'll add the dependency for Android. Click on Get Started, select Java, and I'll copy this. I need to do the same with authentication. Click on Authentication, Get Started. Then click on Users, tab, Authenticate and Message, set up a new signing, add a new provider, and I'll select email and password. Enable, save, and you can see that the email and password provider is being enabled. You can add Google, Microsoft, Game Center, Apple, Twitter, Facebook, Play Games, GitHub, Yahoo, and others. For now, we'll use the email and password, and it's enabled. Also, I need to add the dependency for this authentication. So let's go back to the documentations, go to Build, Authentication, and select Android, Get Started, and I need this dependency. Paste it here. And we need to go back to here, the journal app, and I need to add storage dependency. So click on see all build features and click on storage. Click on get started, start in test mode, next, done. And here we go. This is our storage dashboard. You can upload files and get the links from here. You can set the rules and you can see the usage and the extensions. But we are interested in the files, and here the files of your users or the records or the assets you upload will be displayed here. Now let's add the storage dependency for our project. Back to the documentations, select build, storage, select Android, get started, and you need to get this dependency. Select Java, copy, and paste it here. This is for storage. And we need to remove this KTX because this is for Kotlin. We're using Java for now. The last thing we need to add is the glide library dependency. This is our friend for displaying and loading images in our applications. I'll copy this implementation and paste it here. This is for our friend glide implementation, and we need to include it inside the parentheses and double quotes. And we need to add the compiler for it. So you can go up, select bombtech.github.io, scroll to download and setup, and this is our annotation processor. So here I'll use it, add this, and double quotes. Sync now, and our project is ready to implement Firestore authentication and the storage services from Firebase.